These heat pumps are made in Mexico by Nortec Global HVAC, and the units are only available through dealers in the USA and Canada. The Q7RE units have all aluminum microchannel coils that resist corrosion, but they use a wire grill with a plastic mesh screen to protect the condenser coil. That does not do very much to protect the coil fins from mechanical damage due to hail or debris from lawnmowers. The units are designed for slab mounting with horizontal air discharge and have a 8.0 HSPF efficiency with optional electric heat kits in sizes from 5 to 20 kilowatts to provide emergency heating. They have installed filter dryers to protect the refrigerant system from the effects of moisture and variable speed blower motors for enhanced comfort with less noise. Their warranty is very good and includes a comfort quality pledge where the entire unit is replaced if the compressor fails within 1 year of installation, but they are rather loud with a noise rating of 79 decibels, which is about the same as an alarm clock. The PPH2SE models are basic multi-position heat pumps that can be installed with either downflow or horizontal airflow.